Many students of the occult sciences want to increase their psychic abilities in order to attract luck and fortune and to manifest the life they want. But their experiments fail because they are not able to activate their magical powers and to raise their vibration. There is an ancient secret occult method used by the true initiates and adepts of the true magical schools, orders, and fraternities that allow them to awaken their inner powers. In this video, we reveal to you this secret and what you should consider when you apply it. Brotherhood of the Eternal Light, teaching the Western mysteries. A secret of true magical power, the magical personality, or how to activate your magical powers. Walter Ernest Butler, who was trained in the Society of the Inner Light and founded the Servants of the Light, explains how to build the magical personality as a key to learning how to activate and awaken one's magical powers. There are several ways in which what we may term the magical pressure in the personality may be increased. And of these, the magical personality is one of the most important. There are definite rules for the construction of such a magical personality, and if they are carefully observed, the result will be of the greatest help to the magician. As the psychologists have proved through the study of those curious states of mind known as alternating or split personalities, our ordinary personality is a rather unstable thing, constructed haphazardly and easily affected by outside conditions. It is possible for us to remold that personality. Indeed, at some time or other in our magical career, we shall have to do this. But long before the permanent alteration is effected, we can have commenced to build up an alternative personality which shall serve as an efficient instrument for our magical work. It must, however, be kept in mind that the personality splitting or schizophrenic tendency has to be reckoned with in this work. We see a similar state of affairs in connection with certain actors and actresses who have to play some particular character in a play which enjoys a very long run. The stage character they have been portraying for so long seems to gain a certain kind of individual existence in their mind, and does at times appear to intrude into and supersede the normal waking consciousness. But this, of course, is what we do not want to happen in our magical work. In that work, we must always be positive and dominant masters of the temple of our personality. This is one of the cardinal points in magical work. Although the personality must be held open to any inflow of power, light, or wisdom from the deeper self within, it must be so built and trained that no involuntary alterations can take place in it. When we begin to build up the magical personality, therefore, we must so work that all involuntary manifestations of it are stopped at source. The magical personality must never be allowed to manifest suddenly unless the will and waking consciousness of the normal personality concur. So rule 1 is, always build the magical personality positively and never allow it to manifest without your definite personal agreement. In order to build up a balanced magical personality, construct it around the 3 basic aspects of life: power, love, and wisdom. To build up a faulty magical personality is worse than useless. It can cause quite serious trouble under certain circumstances. So the apprentice magician should most carefully consider what he is doing and patiently carry out the routine training. The exercise should be started by the operator selecting some object which is to be closely identified with the magical personality which is to be constructed. A ring is one of the best objects for this purpose. A symbol made of metal may be worn as a pendant over the heart, but since this is the position in which the magical breastplate or lamen is worn, The ring is the better object of the two. A way in which this can be greatly intensified is to use the ring as an auto-hypnotic device by turning it bezel inwards and quietly contemplating the symbol engraved thereon, at the same time affirming the intention of assuming the magical personality. All magical work, including the projection of the body of light, should be preceded by the assumption of the magical personality. It should be clearly understood that the magical personality must be used throughout any ritual operation which is undertaken. It forms also the basis of the so-called body of light, which is used in the magical operation of astral projection, or, more accurately, the operation of rising on the planes. The magical personality is the key to all magical power. If you want to learn how to build your own magical personality in a safe and efficient way and boost your magical power to the next level, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. We look forward to hearing from you. See you soon in our next video.